There are a few AI women living in millions and millions of images online. Specifically, there's a Western and an Asian one, but there are a few others, and they're flowing behind me. And most people don't realize that they're using an AI trained model. I'm going to explain later on how it still happens to me, and I have trained my model very well. So many of your creators don't even know they're using the AI model. So let's talk about the Western model first. She'll come up with blonde hair, brunette hair. They change her skin tone, but the bone structure, the eyes, the jaw, the nose bridge, and the cheekbones, they're all identical. So it's a different costume and the same face. Now let's talk about the agent default. She has a completely different bone structure. She has different eyes, different nose, and a different jaw. But she also gets recycled through several creators' projects. We'll say, but the black version is a completely different person. Look closer. Same bone structure, same big spaced almond eyes, the same lip shape. She has the same nose bridge. So the model swap skin tone and hair texture, not the underlying face. So these are not the same woman. Apparently they're a combination of many women, but once you see them, you'll be able to find them everywhere. So the AI defaults averages real faces into an archetype and then sells them back to creators. And most of them didn't realize they were buying the same product. And these defaults live across every AI generator, across every model trained on similar data sets. So they're not a platform problem. They are a training data problem. Why? Because they load fast. They've tested well in thumbnails. They are the algorithm ideal pretty. And this is why they will become a problem when you try to monetize using the AI girl. So if you're having fun with AI, making pretty pictures, posting casual, use them. Use whoever. This conversation is not for you. This is for the creators that are monetizing, building a brand and treating this like a business. This is a completely different game. So these platforms are watching. And because of AI, the originality detector is getting sharper. Every platform wants original work from their creators that are getting paid. So this is not me being harsh. That is a platform doing its job. So before I move on, I need to be honest. I am still dealing with this on my own work. Even my own avatar that I have trained for months with my own face, in my same structure of my own face. It tries to plump my lips past what I already have. So I am seeing the AI girl trying to link into my videos in real time. I run the image and then it turns her eye color. It changes her lip structure. It gives her a different type of nose, the nose that the AI girl has. So if you're using her and feeling defensive, hear me. I am not above this. I am in it with you. I just spot her a lot faster. I see her everywhere. And that's the difference. This work is never ending. The skill is learning to see her, name her, and pull her back out generation after generation. And that does get costly. So now that you see them, the next question is what it costs to keep using them. So part 2 drops tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you why this becomes a monetization problem. The moment you cross into business creator territory, I'm going to tell you what the platforms are about to do or are already doing. And I'm going to tell you where I started, because I probably started exactly where you are right now. Then in part 3, I will bring my own female character, show you where I started with her and how she's evolved, my multicultural avatar transitions, my honest admission about my male character, because I do have a male avatar, and the practical tools I use often. So stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 about the AI girl. So make sure you follow me so the next 2 will land on your screen when they drop. You won't want to miss this. AI does not erase human uniqueness.